Hello, I am LaShondra Warren Barnes, Court Administrator for the 15th Judicial Circuit, and on behalf of our judges and other court officials with whom you will have the opportunity to work, I would like to welcome you to jury duty. Why is jury duty important? I'm sure you are wondering how you received a summons for jury duty. Jurors in Montgomery County, Alabama are randomly selected from the voter registration list. The United States Constitution and the Alabama State Constitution guarantees all people the right to trial by an impartial jury. Justice ultimately depends in large measure on the jurors who serve in our courts. Jurors are very important to this process. Your actions and decisions must be free of any bias or prejudice. You must apply the law to the facts presented during the trial to make decisions in a case. Excuses. Very few people are excused from jury duty. Jurors will be excused only upon the demonstration of undue hardship or extreme inconvenience or for other reasons provided by law. We can defer your service to a later date if need be. Codafone. During juror orientation, your name will be called and a panel number will be assigned to you. It is very important that you pay attention to that number. This number will be mentioned on the Codafone and listed on the website to inform you of your return to service. The Codafone and website will be updated daily. Please check the Codafone or website after 6 p.m. each day. The jury duty telephone number is area code 334-832-2531. If you'd like to check the website, it is www.montgomery.alacourt.gov. Breaks. The judges will allow you to have a lunch break and several small breaks throughout the duration of your service. Please make us aware of any health-related or special restrictions you may have. There are restaurants within walking distance to the courthouse. Please return promptly from all breaks as instructed, and please contact my office if you're on a break and something occurs. Pay. Jurors are paid $10 each day they serve on jury duty, in addition to round-trip mileage of 5 cents per mile from their destination to the courthouse. This rate was established by the legislator. You will receive your check and certificate of service at the end of your jury duty service. Checks can be picked up in the circuit clerk's office between the hours of 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. If you do not pick up your check, it will be mailed to you. Employers. If you are a full-time employee, your employer is still responsible for paying you while you serve on jury duty. Code Section 12-16-8 of the Code of Alabama specifically provides that a full-time employee is entitled to their usual wages during jury service. The Attorney General of Alabama has concluded that the phrase full-time employee includes an employee who is paid hourly wages as well as a salaried employee. This protection is not extended to part-time employees. Being a part-time employee does not automatically excuse you from your jury service. We can provide daily excuses to jurors who need documentation to take to their employer. If you do not need a daily excuse, you can wait to pick up your certificate of service upon completion of your jury duty service. Parking. There is plenty of free parking located in the parking deck on the corner of South Lawrence Street and Scott Street. If we experience overflow and the parking deck is full, park at a metered parking space near the courthouse. If you receive a parking ticket, please bring the ticket to my office. It is very important that you communicate with my staff and I. We know that these are unusual times and we want your experience to be a positive one. If you have any questions or comments about anything, please feel free to stop by my office or call the jury duty telephone number at 334-832-2531. Again, thank you for appearing for jury duty. We understand that it may be very difficult at this time, but we will get through everything. So thank you so much for appearing, and we're glad that you came.